Hey guys, doing last minute things today. Laura's traveling tomorrow to Bali, so we're just trying to get stuffs for her, getting stuff that she might need to bring, prepare. So we're here right now. It's a good sunny day today. It's coming up as a bit cold, but not really. Sometimes it feels cold, sometimes it doesn't. But I'm in the car, so it's like a greenhouse effect. It's getting warm. But yeah, I'll see how the day goes today. We're gonna be too busy going out and doing that. Also, I did a wedding the other day, and it was a lot of fun. 8 hours, and I got around 9,000 photos. I just went trigger happy, and not all of them are perfect, but yeah, I need to call them. It's a lot of calling to do. I did another event yesterday, birthday party. I was supposed to edit yesterday, but my ADHD just came in, and I couldn't edit anything. But anyway, that's how it is for me. It's gonna be a bit of editing tomorrow, and I want to clean the house also. I want to tidy up the house, so we'll do that also tomorrow. Yeah, that's it. So I just dropped Laura to the airport. She's heading to Bali, and yeah, feels weird. Yeah, feels weird. And she just called me earlier. Also, it feels weird that she's traveling alone, but yeah, I'm supporting her. It's her birthday November too, so she should have fun. She should be having fun. And yeah, I'm driving home right now. I'm gonna spend the next few days hiking. So yeah, let's hike as many as we can. Hey guys, today's a very gloomy day. Bit cold. It was starting to get warm, but right now it's a bit cold. Laura's out to Bali. She'll be celebrating her birthday there. I'm gonna do stuff here in Melbourne. Let's do this. First things first. Last night we just prepared for her stuff, and the house is like a mess. Like, yeah. And me being someone who's undiagnosed, but feels like he has ADHD. I'm looking at everything here, and yeah, it's a lot. I need to clean up the house. So before I can do anything much later, I'm just gonna try to clean the house here, tidy it up. I don't want to show you the house, guys. Like, look at that. I'm just gonna, yeah, I even have everything there. Try to clean it up, and I'll see how we go. Okay, and I'm trying to use again this camera because the thing is I've been using the Osmo Pocket 3, and it's a very good camera, but I kind of miss this thing. I kind of miss this bad boy. I'm using the A7C now, so yeah, let's see. So initial plan was to show you while I clean this thing. I'm gonna do a time lapse or whatever. A lot of things happened in the last few minutes. First thing is that I was looking into this A7C and I couldn't figure out how to use the time lapse. I'm sorry. I'm really into cameras. Like, I try to learn everything. I try to look into the manual when I'm bored. I read a manual just like anything. Yeah, and I get stuck with the camera, and I just stay there and just look into the camera and look into the settings and everything else. But for this case, I can't figure out how to put on the time lapse, and I can't be bothered. I'm a bit tired. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna film this cleaning with the Osmo Pocket 3 and figure out the time lapse from that one. Yeah, I know. I'm got my plans off the window, and at this point I'm a bit tired. It's around 10 a.m. I have a shoot this afternoon around 3, so I need to do something now so that I can be productive, and then I'll be getting ready for the shoot for later. So that's how it is. Yeah, my hair looks. I need a haircut also. Damn it. Anyway, we'll see how the day goes, and yeah. I'm very determined to put up a lot of videos this week, but yeah, I'm just gonna jump into the queue. Like the old videos, I'm not gonna post them. I was ready for them. I had a lot of footage for the cross track. I'm just trying to make an album. I mean, a channel. I mean, not a channel, a playlist about the cross track and what I've changed with it. But I'm a bit lazy to fix things out, so I'm just gonna jump over the queue and put these videos that we have right now. So feeling very, how do you call this? I can't even think now. Optimistic? No, not optimistic. Feeling, I don't know. I can't think what I can't describe how I feel, but I'm more pumped. I don't know. I can't. I just can't function right now. I think I need to eat. Also, I just want to say that I want to put up some more content, some more podcast. The initial one, I was planning to do it in English, but when I was started working with Bisaya, my voice started to change. We ended up doing Bisaya, and it was more fun. I don't know if you guys were able to understand it, but I'll try to put up an English podcast, and I'll try to vary. And I'm not gonna make it like formatted. All my life, I just want to format things, just like putting up these videos here. But I'm just gonna wing it. I'm just gonna try to post some more. Yeah, that's it. Just have a hard time because I have to edit, and I have to shoot some weddings and shoot some events, and I have household chores. And the thing is, yeah, it takes a lot to set up for a podcast, especially if you don't have a setup studio. We have one studio, I can set it up there, but it's best that you have it on your place. You just have somebody to go there. But my podcast plans are just varied. I can do it anywhere. I can set it up anywhere, and setting up takes time, so that's where it all goes. But anyway, we'll see how we go. I'm excited to do more, but I just don't have time right now. I just want to put another one, but we'll just put some podcast which has just all nothing to it, just people talking and blabbering, and I don't know. I just enjoy talking. That's it. So we'll try to put up some more of those. In vlogging, you'd prefer a smaller set of cameras which are easy to set up and everything else, and you want it to be ready every time you try to roll and film yourself. I love this camera here because it's quick, but the main problem is it's very big. And if you look at the Osmo Pocket 3, look at that. I have this very tiny like stand here, and it's like a tripod, and I can set it up right away, and I can get it ready. And the thing is also, it can track and it's stabilized, so that's the thing that makes this thing special. The only thing that I wanted from this camera here is the low light is much better, though the low light here is very good, but the low light here is much better, and the depth of field is very good. And yeah, it's just different, but it's a bit, it's not stabilized, so you can have all the movements like that. But this one here, like right now I'm setting this up, and I want to film on this one again. Fuck. And I'm planning to hike soon, and I'm gonna be using this camera here, the Osmo Action 4, and my DJI Mini 3. So I'll be using all DJI items. We're gonna do one hike and document it with that thing. That's a plan. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but that's a plan. Okay, so this is how my place looks. Please don't judge. The thing is also, this is how this camera looks. I'm on the wide lens. I'm using this as my vlogging camera earlier, and I just want to go back to this camera here. I just want to use this because it's much more convenient. And if you're vlogging, if you're not making a short film, this is a very good camera. Right now, I just want to go there. I just want to use this. Yeah, honestly, I just want to use this now. Hey guys, I'm heading to Alwyn Gardens right now, and I'm just dressed as normal. Weather's good at 21 degrees right now. And yes, we're heading there. We're gonna have family photos with my bride that I shot a few days ago, and yeah, we're gonna go there and try to make the most out of this day. Actually, earlier it was a bit gloomy or cloudy. Right now I can see it's very good. Sky's good. Not a lot of clouds, but pretty good. Sunset will be very good today, but I'm not shooting a wedding, so yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, pretty good weather today. So just arrived here at Alwyn Gardens, and yeah, weather's really good here. Yeah, that's it. I have nothing to say. I might not use this camera here. I'll use the Osmo Pocket 3 because it's smaller. It's easier for me to move around, and I don't look like a vlogger, even though I'm vlogging now. So yeah, so I'm embarrassed. So here are all the gears. This is my hiking gear. This is my camera gear for today, and this is the rest of the camera gear. So there's a lot here. Yeah. Also, there's a big pond here, or like, I don't know, maybe a lake. So yeah, but we're heading in there. Following Gardens later. Hey guys, this is future me, and yes, I was editing this video. I realized I didn't film when I got in. So yeah, the shoot went well. It was quick though, because we were shooting at the Alwyn Gardens, and just sneak it. We didn't tell them what we were doing a photo shoot, but we're doing a family photo shoot, and I might show you one of the big group photo. But the thing is, yeah, we just had a quick photo shoot inside, and then we came in a bit late, like 4:30 something. So it closes at 5. So we just had around less than 30 minutes to like take photos. The sun was still a bit harsh because it's 5 p.m. and it's spring, and the sun sets at around 7:38. So yeah, the shoot went well. I got a lot of photos to cull, and yeah, some samples maybe. And then after that, I went out and just took photos of my car. And then after taking photos of my car, I had to put in a fake plate which has my name on it. Somebody already took that rego number. But yeah, I forgot to remove it. I moved to another spot and I forgot to remove that number. So yeah, that was close. If a cop would see me that, I would get arrested. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. Not arrested, but maybe fined or something, or I'd reprimanded. I don't know. Anyway, moving on to the next part of the video. So I took a photo of my car earlier and I forgot to remove this. So I'm done with the shoot. I'm heading home right now. I'm gonna start editing, and I haven't cleaned the house, and then this music is coming in. I'm gonna be demonetized. Anyway, yeah. So just took some photos of the car also because I love my car, but I'm heading home now. Good day, guys. Just got home, and the thing is, yeah, it's been quite long, not straight day for me. Yeah, early morning I went to the airport, and then got a bit of a nap, and then got up. I want to clean the house. My initial plan for today was just clean the house. I just did a bit. I still need to clean a lot of things upstairs, and it's not that I'm OCD or it's because of my ADHD or germaphobe, whatever. But I just like to arrange things, and things I just keep on changing the arrangements. Sounded like a symptom of ADHD, but I'm not sure. I'm not I'm not diagnosed. But anyway, yeah. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to try to clear the house, like do a bit of cleaning, and then I'm gonna back up the files, the shoot for today, and then after that I will plan whatever it is I'm going to do tomorrow. The most annoying thing is that yeah, they're doing roadworks outside. They're gonna put asphalt in the main road outside my house, and they just informed me today that they might close the road for the whole day, so I might park the car outside and just make sure that I can access it. I can go out and drive the car. Because if I have it here and then they're going to stop working there, I might wait till afternoon or till nighttime to get out and drive a car. So let's do that. Anyway, for now, I'm just going to try to, yeah, back up the files, get something to eat, and try to clean the house. I just want to clean the house. I plan to hike. I love to hike. I plan to do a lot of hikes. But I just want to clean the house. It's more of like, I just want to do this. I want to do this. I want to hike, but more on, I just need to clean the house. I don't know what's going on. It could be my stress reliever, but I'm going to do it now. So, yeah, I think the video ends here. It's nothing more at the moment. I hope I can get my plans up of doing a hike video and getting more hikes and everything. But yeah, we'll just do fingers crossed, and hopefully we can do it. So, yeah, see you tomorrow, guys.